Is that a scanner?
Yep.
Okay.
然后它那个色彩是很亮的。
印出来的，是用白色的，白色的这个，然后用做这个
亮，然后出来就是这个。
对，跟上去，就是每一层，每一层，每一层。
哦，然后我们的产品还没会好亮。
I mean, I guess if you 3D print in 5 axis, you can avoid all the support materials. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can see this is coming up this way, and the other features coming out that way. So is it does it print the center cylinder first?
Yeah, it prints it first, and then it rotates, and then you
Okay.
That's the orientation you want.
Yeah. That's really cool. That's awesome.
Now what we've done is we're taking a block of wood, machine it down to a door, and then you print it on top of it.
So you print on top of other materials.
Yep.
Wow.
So you have the option of printing and then machining that door.
Yeah,
so you want
yeah.
to just finish, put a hole in it.
Yeah. That's crazy.
So that's the door being machined right there.
Yeah.
And then the block of solid wood, and then you print over that.
But do you have to use a special software for this?
We have a software that does
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know milling is kind of a problem. It's hard to learn right now. 3D printing, you throw stuff in, load the model, hit button down. And milling, you have to do all the passes and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, like we have this cluster also that fits into any standard SolidWorks or your XSM.
Oh yeah.
So you can use that, or you can use the software as well.
Yeah. So it is facing to who are the typical users?
So right now we are looking at selling this on aerospace and all that.
Oh, okay. Bigger industrial.
Yeah, industrial goods as well as like if you're a consumer or a hobbyist who wants to set up a small scale.
Yeah. So how expensive do you think that is?
This is $20,000.
20,000. Okay, that's not too bad. I mean, for a milling machine, right? You can get a milling machine. Wow. That's great. Do you have other parts that?
No, as now we're just showing these two over here.
Okay.
With once you release the software, you can show
Yeah. Cool. Very cool. Thank you.
Hewlett Packard has a process that achieves very similar looking parts that is almost like an inkjet 3D printing technology.
And as far as the structural integrity of the part,
Yeah.
are there weak points, or is it the same strength
Yeah,
throughout?
it's isotropic throughout. The only weak points would be just inherent in the designs. But for a given, like if you had a uniform cross-section piece, it's isotropically uniform throughout.
So no matter what direction the force is
That's
put
right,
on it,
which is not true of all 3D printing technologies. For instance, fused deposition modeling, which extrudes plastic through a hot end, it has strength in different directions, different strength in different directions.
because anytime you put droplets,
Yeah.
it's that.
Wash and Cure.
Okay.
These are add-ons for the Form 2 printer.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's basically a way to speed up the workflow for the existing It helped if it's plugged in, wouldn't it? So,
Oh, okay, okay.
so this is an alcohol bath that you
Yeah.
can just like take the build platform like right out of the Form 2, put it on here,
Yeah.
wash it.
Will it do like shaking and stuff?
Yeah, it does. It actually has a small motor inside here that's controlled
Okay.
with magnets. So
Oh, okay, okay.
it'll actually spin and mix the alcohol over in alternate direction every few minutes to
Yeah, yeah.
get it really clean.
Like how often you need to replace the alcohols?
Depends on how much you use it.
Okay.
You can, if you have two of them, you can swap between like a dirty and clean IPA.
Okay, okay.
Back at headquarters, we have like dozens of these, and like we have one dedicated to like each different resin. So like there's like one for dental.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But it actually has
A filter?
no, it's
Oh,
just
that's the volume detector, right?
Yeah, so you can see like how saturated the resin's become, and like roughly when to
Oh, how
replace it.
saturated. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, cool.
So you calibrate it when you first put it in, and then like after a few weeks, test it again and see like
Yeah.
how much deeper it sinks, and
Yeah.
after a certain point, you have to replace the IPA.
Yeah, cool.
And then finally, we have the Form Cure. So this is a UV oven. It'll just like
Oh, okay, yeah.
make any part for you.
Yeah, I was using the Neo UV light stuff.
So what's great about this is Cure. You can also turn a heater on or off.
Okay,
so,
okay. Yeah.
So if you need like some extra heat to
Yeah.
cure it. So some resins, like the tough resin, need like 120 minutes at 60 Celsius, but the standard clear resin you can do it without any heat.
Yeah, yeah. So how much can on this be?
Honestly, don't remember. Off the
Oh,
top of my
okay,
head.
okay. Couple $100.
I believe it's like 500 to 700 a piece.
Okay, okay, okay.
But,
Cool. Are you guys working on a new printer, next generation SLA?
We're working on the SLS printer right now, which
Yeah,
is
the
Fuse
Fuse,
one.
yeah.
So-
That's like too expensive for a hard disk, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
I
this
mean-
is somewhat affordable.
Yeah, I would say so.
Yeah.
But I know right now we're focused on the Fuse and the cell, which is
Oh, yeah,
taking
the cell, yeah,
so
yeah.
taking the Form 2
Production
and then,
line, yeah.
production line.
Cool.
So it's like, oh my god.
No problem. Are you guys gonna get like a cheaper and smaller SLS later?
I don't really know.
Okay.
That's not really something that I work on.
Okay.
So I mostly work with the audiology and like print production stuff. So
Okay.
my role when I'm not here is actually printing sample parts for people.
Okay.
And so someone requests like, I think your printer's terrible. Send me a part to
Oh,
prove
yeah,
that it's
yeah,
good.
yeah.
And then I send the part like, oh, never mind, this part's very good. So
Okay, yeah.
So a lot of what I do is like just printing sample parts for different people, like
Okay.
printing teeth for dentists and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So when
Yeah.
it comes to things like new printers, I honestly
Right.
don't know. So I'm not
If
the
you
person
know,
to ask.
if that machine is like smaller, tabletop like this even, if it could be like 40,000? No, 4,600, yeah.
Well, I mean,
I think I'm probably gonna take one.
Yeah, the Fuse is only 10 grand versus like
Yeah, the industrial ones, yeah.
there's industrial ones. So it's
Right.
like, as far as SLS goes, it's pretty affordable.
Right.
And I mean, it fits on a table, sort of, a really large table. But
I know, yeah.
I mean, I
Not for my garage at least.
No.
Yeah, I mean this size is perfect. Yeah, if you can talk to the cereal makers, definitely market for that smaller. It's so easy to do.
Do another one. Make another one. Make it smaller. Make it pocket sized.
Yeah. You got it. All right. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
There's no standing.
No.
Okay. Yeah, this one's still having support on. That's pretty nice. So where are you guys based?
Italy.
Oh, okay, Italy. Is this machine gonna be sold in America?
Of course, we have an office in America.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that one looks really cool. And okay, so you are generating not only the support, but it seems like you're generating like a protection.
No, this isn't the file.
Oh, that's a design.
This is
Okay.
yeah, it's designed for the casting because this will be casted in metal.
Okay. Yeah. But yeah, this is almost like custom. Doesn't look like printed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. So how much it will be your cheapest machine?
Cheapest, the entry level is 6,000 euros.
6,000 euro. Okay, okay. And that one is sold in America.
Also, yeah, worldwide.
Very, very interesting. We have a distributor in California. We are based in California.
And take a look of that part.
Okay. We have a branch in California.
Yeah.
Which one?
This cone shape, hollow.
This is the thinnest
Uh-huh.
3D printed piece ever.
Really in the world. Wow, that's crazy.
That's 15 millimeters, 0.15.
Oh my god. I guess this type of thing is not manufacturable in any other way, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. It's crazy. You guys did a good job.
Sorry?
You guys did a good job.
Thank you.
Yeah. And those tools are the same? I mean, that's printed as well?
No, this is casted.
Oh, the
out of this.
casted. Yeah.
Give a general one because I lost.
Yeah.
Put it in a kiln and bake it and take out the
okay.
remaining non-steel and leave just behind the metal.
Okay.
We don't have a sample of one of those yet. Our first batch of those is at the center room right now, actually. Pretty excited to see them.
What kind of steel is this? Most similar to when it's finished?
I have no idea what it looks like when it's finished.
No, but there's certain grades of steel, and like a.
This is kind of a secret need-to-know material because we're going to be making it.
Okay.
So only like the super high ups in the company actually know
Yeah.
the particulars about it.
But I guess this would have be like super strong, right? For gears and
Yeah.
functional parts once it's fused.
So this is the product though that we're featuring here at the show. This new 3D printer.
Okay.
Absolutely incredible. I've been excited about this for the past year and a half. I've been working for the company and so upset that I couldn't tell anybody about it because of NDAs, obviously. But we have all kinds of amazing new features in this printer. The build plates, for example, it's quite large. It's like a whole foot.
Yeah.
It's 12 by 12, printable up to 14 inches tall. There's no rails anymore, no rods
Okay.
to flex or bow or deform or anything. The whole thing is on these linear guides everywhere. These linear guides are affixed to the top here, along here, everywhere, right along the surface, so they remain straight. And then we also have this beautiful new touch screen here, improvement over the previous generation there, which is still pretty amazing. I have one of those machines at home. And we also have our own main board, so all the third-party components are gone now, and it's just us. We make our own filament, we make our own slicer software as well.
Cool.
So we're doing
What's the
all-
name of this model?
This is called the Evo.
Okay.
EVO. Right. And it goes for 7,000. We're having a show special for 6,000.
Okay, cool.